The court will call the case of State of Michigan versus Randall Sto, 23 FB 1487.
Tiffany Woods for the people.
And Miller here on behalf of Randall Sto. Mr. Sto, can you please state your name?
Randall Sto.
Thank you. We're here for
Yes, Your Honor. I know Mr. Sto has now signed his contract. I did send him the link to reporting this morning, so I think he may have already reported for the month of July. He does believe that he can have the fines and costs paid off by the end of August.
anything from the people on this.
No, Judge.
Anything you want to say today before I send this you, Mr. Sto?
Yeah, August is my birthday month, so I plan to have that done, not taking care, not really think about my birthday, just take care of responsibilities. And that's just about it.
Planning
I've been trying to
a bunch
tell
of
you.
birthday money or something, Mr. Sto?
You say that again?
Planning on getting a whole bunch of birthday money?
Yeah, but I kind of want to go I kind of want to go out the country, so I might just go ahead and put this charge on my credit card or something. Cause I'm tired of this. I ain't gonna lie, I love seeing you every other month. The smile and the going through this, but I'm trying to get this done, Judge. I am.
I appreciate that. So it's just the court costs that you have. You provided
Yes.
of the community service, and you already did the gun safety class. Yep,
Mm-hmm.
you provided proof of that a long time ago. So it's just the fines and fees, right?
And I signed that, document too, because you was trying to send me to jail for 5 days. I signed that right after the court thing.
All right. Yeah, you got put on 3 months of non-reporting probation. You should have been done with this a long time
I
ago.
know I should have judged, but I take care of a lot of people and I do a lot, and I'm trying to take care of my responsibilities. There's no excuse.
Okay. So you think you might be done with this in August? You want me to
Can you give me September for sure?
Of course, I could give you past then if you want, but I don't know if you want that.
What's past? I don't know. That sound like stipulations. What you mean past? What's that?
Yeah, the stipulations are that your probation continues if you come back. So that's the stipulation. So if you want to get it done, then I can give you early September, September 2nd. I give you September 9th. What do you want to do?
September 9th.
All right. September 9th, 2025 at 10.
Okay.
If it's paid off, guess what? You don't even have to come back.
I still want to come to show you that I paid it. I'm coming.
Okay. All right. Then we'll see you on September 9th at 10 o'clock a.m. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Have a great day. And if you want
Everyone have a good day. Thank you, Judge.
if you want to go out of town, you would just send them a request, a travel request, and you can still do it.
I can?
Okay. Yeah. Just send it to
Okay.
the department. Okay.
Thank you.
All right.
All right, now. You too.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
All right. The court will call the matter of the state of Michigan versus Chanel Parker, case number 21 FB 1919.
Tiffany Woods for the people.
Allison Muller here on behalf of Chanel Parker. Ms. Parker, can you unmute and state your name?
We're here for a payment in this matter.
Yes, Your Honor. It looks like Ms. Parker made $100 payment yesterday, and her balance is down to $260.
All right. Ms. Parker, do you want me to just give you some time to get the balance paid off before you
Please.
come back?
Yes, ma'am.
How about October 7th? You think you can get it done by then?
Definitely.
All right. Then I'll see you back here on October 7th at 10 o'clock a.m. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. See you then. Have a good day.
You too.
The court will call the matter of Roman Whitfield, case number 21W000350R.
Paul Barnett on behalf of the township.
What's your name, Mr. Whitfield?
Oh, Roman Whitfield. How you doing today?
Thank you. I'm good. How are you, Mr. Whitfield?
Fine, yourself.
So, Mr. Whitfield, you're here today. Let's see, you saw you saw Judge Pope back on June 27th. And you told him at that time, because you were here for a show cause, that you were going to pay this ticket by July 1st.
Oh no, see, I've been working so hard on doing these houses, y'all. It's my fault, though. I can get up there Friday for.
We'll call the case of the Ypsilanti Township versus Darrell Gardner, case number 13T00166.
Ashley Moulton on behalf of Mr. Gardner. State your name for the record, sir. Oh, not gonna.
You need to ask the jail to unmute you, sir.
Darrell Gardner.
Thank you. Mr. Gardner, you're here today for a bond violation and that you failed to appear for court on July 2025. You were arraigned by the magistrate on April 23rd of 2025. You failed to appear on two separate occasions, actually. The first one being June 9th, which was the original date that the magistrate, nope. So originally she set it for May 19th, and then it was stipulation came in to adjourn it, and it was adjourned to June 9th. You failed to appear for that date, and then I rescheduled it for July 7th, and you have failed to appear for that date. As I indicated earlier, this is a 2013 case. Ms. Moulton.
Thank you. I spoke with Mr. Gardner regarding the failure to appears. I don't believe he knew about received the date for the first date. I think I have the dates that we went into detail about was the 7th and the 16th. He was at work on the 7th, lost track of time. He immediately called in, and that's when he was rescheduled.
I came in. I went to 72.
Oh yeah, you said you had your you had your work clothes on and everything, and they gave him the new date. He sat in the court. He said he was there for about 4 hours. I believe he was last Wednesday. I actually am assigned to that court, and I can confirm that date went very, very long. So I'm not sure what happened. They bring everyone in one by one. Not sure why his case wasn't called at the time. However, he has been trying to address this case. We're trying to figure out what is left so he can get it resolved. He just paid to get his car out of the impound, and then now it's back there after he got arrested this weekend. So he just does not have the money to pay a monetary bond. He's gainfully employed. He's seriously trying to resolve this case. So we're just trying to figure out what's left and a personal bond so he can return.
I'm not certain what you're referring to with respect to the fact that he was in court on any given day. The last notice in this file is from July 7th, unless you point out where I'm missing something.
July 16th, he was rescheduled for that day after he missed the prior hearing that he missed due to work.
You see that in JIS, ma'am? That's the first available with not many.
It's the first available with funds. There's also August 13th when that has.
Court day will be on August 27th, 2025 at 9:00 a.m. I'm going to reinstate a personal recognizance bond. The main reason I'm doing it is because this is a 2013 case, and I'm not sure that they'll be able to proceed on it. Sir, if you miss another court date, then what's going to happen is you're going to just end up sitting in custody until we finalize the matter. Are we clear?
Yes, ma'am. I didn't miss it. I did miss it. I did miss it, but in my defense, June 9th is my birthday. If they would have told me I had court on my birthday, Your Honor, I would have remembered it. I was never notified of a June 9th hearing. So that's how that court date was, quote unquote, missed. If they would have told me on my mother's grave, I would have appeared. Because it's a day of celebration. It's my birthday. I would have remembered it. So I promise you, I will show up. I will show up for any court date you schedule me for, anyone.
All right, what court date did I just give you, sir?
Huh?
What court date did I just give you?
August 25th, I believe.
August 27th, sir.
27th, okay.
On Zoom. And you need to stay in the room until your case is called.
All right. Yes, ma'am.
All right. I will reinstate the personal recognizance bond.
Okay.
See you on that particular date. all the other conditions are reinstated.
Thank you.
You're
Thank you.
welcome. That's before me, so I'll remember if you don't show up.
Yes, ma'am.
All
I'll
right.
be there.
You're all set, sir. Have a good day.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, let's talk about that. This session in front of Magistrate Hillary Braley was a bit of a mixed bag, part payment plans, part scheduling issues, and part colorful courtroom personality. We kicked off with Randall Sto, who came in ready. To wrap things up, well, mostly, Sto explained that August is his birthday month, which apparently means two things. He's going to get a whole bunch of birthday money, and he's tired of having this case hanging over him. In a moment of candid humor, he floated the idea of just putting the balance on his credit card so he could finally be done with it. Braley handled the back and forth with her trademark patience, pointing out that he should have finished probation months ago, but also acknowledging his juggling of responsibilities. They settled on a September 9th deadline, with Sto insisting he'll come in to show proof of payment even if he doesn't technically have to be, because apparently, part of him enjoys the routine. Braley even told him that if he wanted to go out of town for his birthday, all he had to do was submit a travel request. That's customer service. Courtroom edition. Next up was Chanel Parker, who owed $260 but had made a $100 dent in it just the day before. This one was straightforward. Braley asked if she could clear the rest by October 7th. Parker agreed without hesitation, and that was that. No drama, no surprises, just the kind of simple compliance that makes everyone's day a little easier. Then came Roman Whitfield, whose situation was more of a plans versus reality problem. Back in June, he told the court he'd pay his ticket by July 1st. That didn't happen, and his explanation was a familiar one. Work had gotten in the way. The irony was that he's been working so hard on doing this house that he hasn't had the time to take care of his legal house. The final feature of the morning was Darrell Gardner, and his was a tangle of missed court dates and logistical confusion going back to a 2013 case. The record showed failures to appear on June 9th and July 7th, but Gardner and his attorney had a different story. According to them, he wasn't aware of the June 9th hearings, something he says he'd definitely have remembered, since it was his birthday, and on the July date, he claimed he was at work and called in after the fact. There was even a bizarre moment where he recounted sitting in court for 4 hours on a later date without his case being called. Braley cut through the muddle, reinstating his personal recognizance bond largely because of the case's age, but she made it clear that another no-show would mean staying in custody until resolution. Gardner, for his part, promised that he would appear for any court date you schedule me for. Though when asked to repeat the date just given, he was off by 2 days. Braley corrected him August 27th and reminded him to stay logged in until called. Overall, it was a calm docket with splashes of humor and human moments. Braley balanced firmness with flexibility, tailoring each outcome to the individual's situation while keeping the process moving. These weren't headline-making cases, but they were a great reminder that courtrooms are as much about people's lives as they are about the law. If you found this hearing insightful, consider subscribing, hitting the bell, and letting me know your thoughts in the comments below. I read every one.